Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find proven products on the Clickbank network. Finding proven products is very important, because if you don't do this right, you can drive traffic after traffic after traffic, and you can't expect yourself to make any kind of sales. Okay, so take some time out, find a proven product that's converting, a good product with a good high sales page, converting sales page. Driving very minimum traffic will work the best for you. So I'm going to show you how to find proven products, a trick to find proven products on the Clickbank network. So when you drive traffic, if it's quality and targeted traffic, you can potentially see sales and commissions. A lot of people are showing you different ways of doing this, but I'm going to show you a very good way on how to do this, how to find the proven products, and you don't even have to make any kind of effort to do this. In fact, Clickbank just spills out all the top good products, what Clickbank believes has a very good conversion rate. So let's dive into this video and let me show you how it's all done. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and you are interested in learning how to make money online, affiliate marketing, Clickbank, traffic generation, lead generation, etc., then make sure you smash the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be appreciated. If you have questions, just leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated, and don't forget to click the share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video can help someone change their life. So let's dive into this video. I'm on the Clickbank marketplace. I guess you already know what Clickbank is. Clickbank has thousands of digital products, and you can come here and choose some of the best products. Okay, now when you come to Clickbank marketplace, a lot of people will just tell you, go here, go there, go to this category, go to this niche, choose a product, do this and do that. But I'm going to show you a best way on finding out what Clickbank believes are the best products. Okay, so there are two different criteria here. One is the criteria of the person, of the affiliate looking for a good product. So you'll come into a niche. So for instance, you might just click on e-business, e-marketing here, and then you might come here and you might sort it out by results. So you might click on high to low, low to high, average conversions, future billing, gravity, etc. So your criteria is different. What you are looking for is probably based on gravity, competition, ranking, etc. Okay, now every affiliate is different as well. So for instance, in my case, when it comes to choosing a product, I look at gravity more than anything else. Okay, so for me, gravity is very important. If I see a gravity below 20, most likely I will not promote the product unless I believe it's a very good product, and for some reason people haven't discovered the product. Otherwise, normally I don't promote product that has a gravity less than 20. Now, a lot of you guys might come into the Clickbank marketplace, go into the e-business, e-marketing, and you might base out the results based on ranking or average conversions or EPC. Okay, so every affiliate is different. What I want to share in this video is I want to share what Clickbank believes is one of the best products, high converting products, and a product that could potentially bring you sales and commissions. Okay, so we are going to leave it on Clickbank instead of us making a criteria and making a point out that this is what I'm looking for, gravity or average conversions or ranking. Based on that, choosing a product, let's tell Clickbank, what do you believe, which product is good to promote? Which product should I promote? Which product should I create content around or create a review video, which I believe that if I get a bit of traffic, I can potentially make sales and commissions. So let's leave it on Clickbank. Okay, so how do you do that? How can we ask Clickbank to spill out the good products? So I'm going to show you that. Okay, now before I get into this video, okay, there's another Clickbank engine that you can use to actually spill out some good products. Okay, so it's called the CB engine. If you go onto the left hand side here, you can see here top Clickbank vendors. Okay, you can see here by gravity, etc. Find Clickbank products, then you come here and each one will open up CB new products. Okay, CB best gains, top gravities, insiders, reviews, relisted, etc. And then on the home page, you can see here they have some products that they recommend themselves on. I don't know how, on what base they are recommending these products. Some of the products down here that I have checked is very old, like 6 years old, 7 years old. But still, this CB Engine, which is a very reputable website, okay, related to Clickbank, are recommending these products. So probably they are testing it out, probably it's converting, I don't know. Okay, so you could check it out and play around with this. Okay, so let's just get back into Clickbank and the Clickbank marketplace, and I want to show you a way where you can ask Clickbank to spill out those products that's converting right now. That could make you some potential sales and commission. So here's how you do it. Okay, you come to the Clickbank marketplace. Now, instead of clicking on any of these categories or going to all section and clicking on these categories, subcategories, what you want to do is you want to come to the search bar here, okay, and you want to leave it blank. You don't want to put any kind of keyword inside. Now, I know that you're probably more into make money online. You're probably more into weight loss. You're probably more into home and gardens. You're probably more into woodwork, shed plans, etc. But we want to leave this blank because we want Clickbank to tell us which product is currently converting very good. Which product they believe has a potential for us to make sales and commissions. So you're going to leave this blank. Don't put any kind of keywords. And just come here and just click on this. Okay. Now watch what happens. Okay. So check this out. I left this blank. I clicked on this, and Clickbank has spelled out all the top products for me that they believe has a very high EPC, high conversion rate. And if I create any kind of content around that product, most likely I can expect to make some sales potentially. Okay, so check this out. The first offer that they believe has a very high EPC, high conversion rate, and comes into the ranking of #1 product, as you can see down here, is this product down here. Check this out. You sleep. It's all about sleeping. Okay, an offer that helps you get a nice sleep that freshens your brain, charges your body, and when you wake up, you feel the energy inside your body like you have never been tired. Okay, so this is the first product that Clickbank believes has a very high conversion rate. Now, you could create content around this product and start promoting it, start driving traffic. Remember, before promoting it, every rule of thumb is check the sales page if it's still available. Okay, and then for this product, you're not going to be able to promote it by just getting your affiliate link. You'll have to request approval. As you can see here, it says here approval required. Okay, the second product that they believe is a very good product is something to do with health, something to do with bladder. You could see here ranking #2. Okay, #3 product that they believe is a very good product is this called the energy one, and then it's the brain song, and etc. So this is how you do it. Tell Clickbank, you give me the product that's converting very good. You believe it's a very good product, and I can make content around it to promote the product. So you just come here, come to the search bar. Don't type in anything. Just click on this search. Okay. Now, one of the products that I would recommend you promote is this product here. If you come here and click in the search bar and type in Instagram, you're going to find this product here. Okay, it's a product that teaches you how to turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine with 0 followers. Created by a proven Instagram influencer that's currently making thousands of dollars every single month. Okay, now you can promote this product. Okay, it pays 75% commission. You could check the sales page out, you could check the affiliate page out, you could get your affiliate links and start driving some quality traffic. It's a very good product, a very up-to-date course teaching you how to get unlimited free traffic using Instagram, and at the same time with the course they provide you with 6 exclusive bonuses, which is one of the bonuses is priceless, where you get the complete done for you business box, digital business box, where you can actually own the product, have the sales page all done for you, thank you page, members area, email swipes, everything done for you, and then you can put your own payment button like PayPal and get paid directly into your PayPal account. and earning 100% profit, just like it's your own product, just like you created the product yourself. Okay, so these are a couple of this is a very good product that you can promote. It's a high converting product. You could check it out yourself, and you could also promote this product and earn 75% commission.